Is your Windows PC running slow? Learn how to dramatically improve its performance with these simple steps. We all know the frustration of a sluggish computer. This video is your guide to getting your Windows device back up to speed. Common causes for slow performance include too many running programs, outdated drivers, and insufficient disk space. Addressing these issues is key. Let's start with basic maintenance tips that can make a quick difference in your PC's performance. It sounds simple, but regularly restarting your PC is vital. It clears the memory and stops processes that build up over time. Next, clear out temporary files and browser cache. These unnecessary files accumulate and can significantly slow down your system. Optimizing your startup process is the next major step to faster boot times and a more responsive system. Use the Task Manager to manage which programs launch at startup. Disable anything you don't immediately need to speed up your boot time. Also, review and disable unnecessary background apps. Many apps run silently, consuming resources and slowing down your foreground tasks. Moving on to software optimization. Ensuring your programs and operating system are running efficiently is crucial for speed. Unused programs take up valuable disk space and can sometimes run hidden processes. Uninstall any software you no longer use. Always keep Windows and your device drivers updated. Updates often include critical performance improvements and security fixes. A few system configuration tweaks can prioritize performance over visual aesthetics. Windows uses various visual effects that consume resources. Adjust these settings to prioritize performance for a snappier experience. Windows has a built-in system performance troubleshooter. Use this tool to automatically find and fix common performance issues. The health and performance of your hard drives significantly impact overall PC speed. Regularly defragment your HDDs or optimize your SSDs. This ensures data is stored efficiently and can be accessed quickly. Use Windows tools to check your drives for errors. Early detection and repair of disk issues prevent data loss and slow performance. Let's quickly review the key practices for maintaining a fast Windows PC. Remember to perform basic maintenance, optimize your startup, and keep all software and drivers up to date. By consistently applying these tips, you'll enjoy a much faster and more reliable Windows PC experience.